Welcome to the topic on working with form controls, form groups, and form arrays. Forms play a vital role in web applications, allowing users to interact and input data. As applications grow in complexity, we need robust mechanisms to manage and validate user input effectively. In Angular, we have three essential building blocks for creating complex and dynamic forms: form controls, form groups. 1. Form controls. Form controls represent individual input elements in a form, such as input fields, checkboxes, and radio buttons. Each form control manages its value and validation state. We can access and interact with form controls using the form control class provided by Angular's Angular Forms module. 2. Form groups. Form groups are containers that group multiple form controls together. They represent a subset of the entire form and help organize related form controls. Form groups are particularly useful when dealing with complex forms that contain multiple input fields. 3. Form arrays. Form arrays are used to manage a collection of form controls. They allow us to handle scenarios where we need to dynamically add or remove form controls at runtime. Form arrays are essential for implementing features like dynamic form fields, summaries, working with form controls. Form groups and form arrays in Angular is fundamental to creating dynamic and interactive forms. Form controls handle individual input elements. Form groups organize related controls, and form arrays manage collections of controls. These building blocks offer unparalleled flexibility and control, allowing us to handle various user input scenarios and cater to diverse application requirements. In the next chapter, we'll explore more advanced Angular concepts, taking your Angular development skills to new heights. Thank you for joining us in this topic. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on Angular in our upcoming sessions.